What up guys, gals, and those in between? Today on Bachelor on a Budget, we are making vegan fried rice. We're gonna add a little tofu in there for extra protein. We got some carrots, green peas, and corn, and all the delicious flavor, and it's gonna be super quick to make because I gotta get out of here, so let's get cooking. First, we want to prep our ingredients. I got about 3 carrots, 4 cloves of garlic, some tofu. This is marinated tofu. You can use smoked tofu or whatever kind you like. And 2 to 3 cups of onions. This is a lot more, but I just chopped up a bunch so that I can use them for multiple dishes. But we'll just take some of this and put it in. Also use a cup of frozen corn and a cup of frozen peas. 3 tablespoons of soy sauce or tamari. And a tiny bit of sesame oil. And of course our cooking oil. A big old wok, a nice steel one. It needs a good cleaning with some steel wool that I don't have. And we'll turn that up onto a medium-high heat. I'm gonna add in a couple tablespoons of oil. Use something that goes to high smoke point. Actually, we're going with 3 tablespoons because I'm making a lot here. That oil, when hot, will start to glisten. Then we're gonna add 2 to 3 cups of our onions. Woks are really most ideal when you have a flame gas grill, because if you got a round wok, then the surface area is just not gonna get, the heat's just not getting distributed enough. And we wanna cook on high heat. Next we'll add our carrots, our garlic, and our tofu. And mix that all around. Next I'm gonna add 3 cups of cooked rice. I cooked this 2 days ago and it's been in the fridge. It's ideal if you can cook it the day before or a couple days. If you cook it the day of, it's still gonna be hot and you're probably gonna overcook the rice. You're more likely to get a better texture by cooling the rice first, so leftovers. And keep stirring that around. Don't let anything burn, especially on high heat. You gotta keep watching this. Make a center in the middle, and we'll get our peas in there. Two to 3 tablespoons of tamari. And our sesame oil. We can take that off the heat. This right here is done super quick. Okay, let's give this a try. That is delicious. What does make it better is a bit of ginger and the yellow corn, but it's a hard one to screw up. You got high heat, you got veggies, you got some sauces, pretty easy. If you put too much of corn or too much of onion or too much of carrot, it's not gonna affect the dish negatively. You can try other veggies in it. Mushrooms are great, but it's cheap and delicious, and I got like 4 or 5 meals here for girlfriend and I. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. I got a ton of other recipes, both plant-based and non. I've switched to a plant-based diet and lots of recipes that you can make easy substitutions. I'm gonna try and make most of the recipes plant-based from previous recipes I made. Transition them. All recipes going forward will be plant-based. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. If you have any suggestions, leave them down below. Bye guys.